We are entering the world's largest dinosaur, and it's a lot of stairs. Vertebrae.
Also known as the dinosaur capital of the world.
There's a lot of stairs.
Shortly after the world's largest dinosaur was built, the Legacy Fund was established. Each month, a percentage of dinosaur admissions and gift shop sales are directed to the world's largest dinosaur legacy fund. Since 2005, the Legacy Fund has been used to enhance and enrich community economic development initiatives in the Drumheller region. Some examples include a $250,000 contribution to the Badlands Community Facility, a $75,000 contribution to the Atmosphere Line, and $35,000 to the Rosebud Theater. Visit the world's largest dinosaur.
I think I'm almost there. I have to wait for the family to get out of there. Alright, I went through the door that I was waiting at. And this is our look down, and there's Ryan. Right there. There's Ryan. And the world's largest dinosaur. So we are here today at Drumheller, where the world's largest dinosaur is. And if you want to go with your kids or family activity, it's $5 to go up the dinosaur. I believe some of the funds go towards some charities and put money back in towards things. But they have this little splash pad here and another one up here, which I think it looks like a pond, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, this splash pad, a bunch of picnic areas around here. Oh, you can measure yourself. Got this little guy. So yeah, a little splash pad picnic area for anybody who wants to bring their kids. This doesn't cost anything, just the dinosaur climb up. There's, I think Ryan said 105 steps. It's quite a bit. So we have this dinosaur. So this is definitely worth a visit if you're in the area wanting to do other things. We are gonna have to go and locate the Hoodoos and do that trail. Fossil World over there. So, you know, I think it's worth the trip here if you're in the area. I mean, don't make a special trip like us all the way across the west side or to go across Canada just to come see the world's largest dinosaur. I mean, just go do it instead. GoPro stuff.
We're at the Hoodoos.
Yes, we are. They're so like, look like mushroom houses.
Let me tell you, it's hot.
It's like the Canadian desert.
Well, it looks like you're gonna have to carry them right off the bat.
Pretty much the full trip.
Why is it a...
Heads all the way around. It's still great.
Okay, Daddy get one?
There's a puppy.
That was it? Okay. That works for me.
Oh, careful, Joseph. Come here, sweetie. Is this on YouTube?
It will be, yes.
Cool.
Stop. Come on. You don't have a bag on it, do you? Wow. GoPro, stop recording.
Yes, we can't let you get pondering too much.
Yeah, it's a walking trail everywhere.
So I had a spot closed off.
Where?
On the thing when we first walked in.
Oh.
It just showed a restricted area.
Sorry, baby. Would you like me to take your picture for you?
Sure.
Oh, we got a shirt, yeah.
Oh, we got a rock, paper, scissors here.
Oh, it's so hard.
It's warm.
It is.
It's like the desert, for sure. So come on here, baby girl.
Well, come up here, hon. Right there, yeah.
Come here, baby. This way, honey.
This is cool. Come on, girls. Come on. Come with Dad. Come on, girls.
Okay, Daddy.
Come here. Come on.
Get him.
Come on, Autumn. Come on. Come on. No, come this way.
Go. Come on.
Come on.
Go get
Come
Daddy.
on. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girls. Yeah. Woo!
Wow, look at you.
This is crazy.
Where's the pool?
Where's the pool of water?
Drank it all up.
This will be our last hike of the trip and we're heading straight home after 3 days.
Autumn, is your feet hurting?
Come on, Autumn. Come on. That's fine. We'll take him to the van. It's hot, eh, girls?
High on their feet.
Okay, let's go down.
Get some video footage of that to your right. Okay, come.
Stay, stay. Yeah, just keep going. Taking the long way? Here, come back this way.
Turn around, girls. Daddy said turn.
Come on. Come on, girls. Follow Dad. Mom always takes the hard way around things.
I'm taking the safest way. Like, look at you right on the edge. If I slip, I slide down.
There's no slipping. There's lots of grip. And don't worry about the dogs. They got 4 paws. Good girls. Good girls.